In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit an invoice in Zoho Books quickly and correctly. If you've ever sent an invoice and then realized you need to change something, like the customer details, item information, tax, or even the invoice date, Zoho Books makes it very easy to update it. Knowing how to edit invoices properly is important for keeping your accounting records accurate and professional. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Zoho Books. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're inside the Zoho Books dashboard, take a look at the left sidebar where all the main navigation options are located. This is where you can access your sales transactions, purchases, reports, and other accounting tools. To edit an invoice, the first place we need to go is the Sales section. On the left sidebar, click on Sales. When the menu expands, you'll see several options, like Customers, Quotes, Sales Orders, and Invoices. Go ahead and click on Invoices. After clicking Invoices, Zoho Books will open a list showing all the invoices that have been created in your account. This page usually displays important details, such as the invoice number, customer name, invoice date, status, and the amount. From here, you simply need to locate the invoice that you want to modify. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many invoices, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific one you're looking for. Once you've found the invoice you want to edit, click directly on that invoice. This will open the Invoice Preview page. On this screen, you can see the full invoice exactly how it appears, including the customer information, billing details, items listed, taxes, totals, and any notes attached to the invoice. Now, to edit the invoice, look toward the top right corner of the invoice preview. You'll see several icons and options there. One of them will be the Edit icon. Go ahead and click on the Edit icon to start modifying the invoice. When you click Edit, Zoho Books will open the invoice in edit mode. This allows you to update any of the fields within the invoice. For example, you can change the customer if the invoice was assigned to the wrong person. You can update the invoice date if it needs to match a different billing period. You can also modify the item details, such as the product or service name, quantity, rate, or total amount. If taxes need to be adjusted, you can also update the tax settings directly inside the invoice. Zoho Books will automatically recalculate the totals based on the changes you make. You can also add or remove line items if needed. For example, if you forgot to include a service or accidentally added the wrong product, you can easily correct that while editing the invoice. Another useful thing you can update here is the Notes or Terms section at the bottom of the invoice. Many businesses use this area to include payment instructions, due dates, or thank you messages for customers. After you've finished making all the necessary changes, take a moment to quickly review the invoice to make sure everything looks correct. Double-check the customer information, item details, totals, and taxes so that there are no mistakes before saving. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button. Zoho Books will then update the invoice with your changes and store the latest version in your records. The updated invoice will now appear in your invoice list with the revised information. And that's all it takes to edit an invoice in Zoho Books. It's a simple process once you know where everything is located, and it allows you to quickly fix errors or update billing details without creating a new invoice from scratch. If this video helped you learn how to edit a Zoho Books invoice, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Zoho tutorials, accounting tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.